You can impress visitors to your website with content that sits on top of an attractive looped background video or a still image by using the splash pages feature. So ahead of this video, you should have a website that is live and have a particular high definition looping video or image in mind that will make a big impact on customers when they land on your website. This is an example of a splash page, an attractive dress curtain for your website with some content that captures the essence of your business and entices visitors. Users will then scroll down or click an icon like so to view the home page content. This is where you manage your website's splash page, and to get here you need to enter the style section and look for the splash page option, and you'll be taken to this page. Insert your background video by clicking in this section here and uploading your video, which must be in MP4 format. Videos up to 20 MP are allowed, but remember that large videos end up lagging for some users. And you also want to make sure that videos are not too small either, to avoid them not looking right when they take up the whole page. And of course they must be in the highest definition. The video poster option is where you insert a still image of the background video being used for visitors whose desktop or mobile can't fully load the video. You can also insert a high definition image to serve as your splash page instead. Minimum image size is 1300 by 1080. And images should always be in HD and in JPEG format, and should of course never be taken on a mobile camera to ensure best possible quality. This drop down allows you to decide whether customers will see the video you've inserted or the image you've inserted as a splash page. Do not show means that no splash page will be displayed. Use this area here to write content that sits on the splash page. This will be a concise summary of your business that compels visitors to explore your website. Use the layout section here to choose whether content washes over the background image or is bonded to the image and scrolls normally. You can also choose to modify background filter and text color, select your navigation icon, and choose whether content sits in the middle of the splash page or whether it covers the whole screen or not. You may need to provide video attribution to the original video source and confirm whether any modifications have been made to the video either. And you can upload a video that loops when the splash page is still loading, or select a default one for users whose internet is not as fast. Use the animation section to choose an effect for how content presents itself on the splash page. There are a number of options here. And then choose whether you want to use a piece of text or an icon as a scroll trigger, and then use the below options to customize your scroll trigger to your exact liking. And with that, you now know what splash pages are and how to use all of the various styling and layout options to create a splash page that impresses visitors to your website. I hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon.